Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to YouTube Music for smart home voice commands. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the music icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the option that says Try YouTube Music. Tap on it to explore the features of the service. Find the Get YouTube Music Premium button on the screen. Tap on this button to view the subscription plans available. You will see different subscription options, including individual, family, and student plans. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Review the pricing details and features for each plan. Once you decide, tap on the Select button. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill out the required fields to complete your subscription. After entering your payment details, confirm your subscription. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Link your smart home device to your account, ensuring it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Use the specific voice command for your smart home device to play music through YouTube Music. You might say, "Hey Google, play my YouTube Music playlist." Enjoy your music hands-free with easy voice commands. Experiment with different commands to find what works best for you. Now you are ready to enjoy music playback with YouTube Music in your smart home device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.